Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a beautiful pressure sensitive labeler. Has a labelette tag, as you can see on the front here, but it's part of the Accutek Corporation now out of California. It's got a 6-inch wide by 8-foot long conveyor on it, and astoundingly this has an 8-inch web width. You can see here in the label web. The peel plate is a huge 9-inch tall. 8-inch seems to be the maximum size. Has of course a pacing wheel you see here. Adjustable pressure pad. We do have a second belt for it which covers the entire width of the wrap belt station. Of course, a touch sensitive control panel over here. Pretty simple, easy to use. For instance, here's the conveyor speed. You hit that and you can go, let's change it to 10, enter, and there goes your conveyor. Immediately adjust the temperature, or adjust the speed rather. And everything else on here, you see spacer motor, your different label head, your wrap speed, your conveyor, etc. Everything you'll need to operate. We're operating on 110 volt. I'm going to show you over here, just trigger the labeling mechanism. It has a small product eye you see down in here, and activating that product eye turns on your advance of a label. And of course, as the label, we just do this very simply just to test it, and then once it sees the space in the label there, it shuts itself off as it should. We have everything in process and packaging in our inventory here, and we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.